In due time. Eventually, at the right moment. You'll know everything in due time. At this point in time. Now, currently. At this point in time we need help. When all is said and done. In the end. When all is said and done, family matters most. For some time now. For a while already. I've felt tired for some time now. From time to time. Occasionally. We still talk from time to time. Ahead of time. Earlier than expected. Please arrive ahead of time. Behind the times. Old-fashioned. That mindset is behind the times. In no time. Very quickly. She finished it in no time. Time and again. Repeatedly. I warned him time and again. At times. Sometimes. Life gets hard at times. For the first time in ages. After a very long time. We met for coffee for the first time in ages. In the fullness of time. Eventually, later on. The truth will appear in the fullness of time. With time on your hands. Having free time. I read more with time on your hands. Pressed for time. Having little time available. Sorry, I'm pressed for time. Over time. Gradually as time passes. Your English improves over time. Time after time. Again and again. He made that mistake time after time. By time. Delay to gain more time. She kept talking to buy time. Make up for lost time. Catch up after delay. We studied late to make up for lost time. In record time. Faster than usual. They finished the job in record time. For old time's sake. To remember the past fondly. Let's meet there for old time's sake.